All right, so I'm messing around with these couple of synthesizers here. I've got two of them. This one here is built off of a transistor acting as the oscillator, and it sounds like this. And you can see the wave is a sawtooth kind of wave. What's kind of cool is if we pop over to this other one, sounds kind of similar, but if I move, where am I going? If I move the oscilloscope over here, you can see now I've got this square wave. So, sounds the same, but totally different waveform when you look at it with the oscilloscope. So just kind of a cool example of one of the things that you can do with an oscilloscope, even a cheap one like this.